Hello children, how are you? Very good morning. This is Amita. Today's topic Beaks of Bird. This is a bird series and already discussed about types of birds and types of feathers. Already discussed about in previous session. Here only discuss about beaks of bird. This topic will take it from grade 4 to 5th and pattern based on NCERT. Okay, so let's start without any wasting time. Beaks of birds. The beaks of birds. The beaks of birds tell us a lot about kinds of food we eat. And how they get their food. So beaks of birds. The beaks of birds tell us a lot about kind of food they eat and how they get their food. Okay, firstly, most birds use their beaks or get their foods and carries building materials to make their nest and protect themselves from enemies. So uses of beaks. Okay, different kinds of uses of beaks found in birds' creature. Okay, depend upon their food habits. The structure of beaks of bird depend upon their food habits because different birds found in our nature, and these birds teach us and lots about kinds of food we eat. Okay, lots of kind of food we eat and how they get their food. Okay, so let's start. The beaks of birds. The beaks of birds tell us lots about kind of food we eat. Okay, the beaks of birds tell us a lot about kind of food we eat. How they get their food and how they get their food. Okay, so most of birds use their beaks. The beaks of birds uses by three things. Firstly, get their food. Second, carries building materials to make their nest and protect themselves from enemies. Okay, so birds use their beaks about 3 points, having 3 points. 1, get their food and carries building material to make their nest and protect themselves from enemies. So most birds use their beaks. Here we have to write here, most birds use their beak. First point, get food. First point, get their food, and second is carries building materials carries building materials to make their nest. Carries building material to make their nest. Okay, building materials to make their nest. And third, protect themselves from their enemies. Protect themselves from their enemies. Okay, protect themselves from their enemies. So this is a very clearly description here. Beaks of birds. Okay, the beaks of birds tell us a lot about kind of food. Tell us a lot about kind of food they will eat, because different birds having a different food. Having a different food, because lots of tell us a lot about kind of food they will eat and how they get their food. And how they get their food. Most birds use their beaks first get food. Most birds use their beaks. Okay, the use of beaks first get food, carries building materials to make their nest and protect themselves from their enemies. So we will end this video here. This is a part 1. Okay, this is a part 1, and part 2 we will know about types of beaks. Okay, so we will end this video here. I will request to all, please subscribe, like and watch share, and press red button for upcoming notification for next series. So stay at home. God bless. Take care.